Hey, this is Giovanni with Joel. This election will be deciding on several amendments that deal with property tax relief for specific groups of Texans. Let's go through them together so you know exactly what's on your ballot. First up is Amendment number 7, Veteran Spouse Tax Relief. Right now, spouses of veterans are eligible for some property tax breaks, but this amendment expands that. It would allow the surviving spouses of veterans who died from service-related conditions to be exempt from paying property taxes on their home, as long as they haven't been remarried. Next is Amendment number 9, Business Property Tax Relief. Right now, businesses in Texas are required to pay property taxes, not just on their land or buildings, but also on things like equipment, machinery, or even inventory of goods, as long as they are worth $2,500 or more. If passed, Amendment number 9 gives businesses a bigger break on their inventory and equipment taxes, allowing businesses to exclude up to $125,000 of the value of their inventory or equipment for being taxed by local taxing entities. Amendment number 10 is about fire damage tax relief. Right now, if a home is destroyed in a fire, property taxes are still based on the home's appraised value for that year, even if the house is unlivable. This amendment would allow for a temporary property tax break while you rebuild, as long as the home has been unlivable for at least 30 days. Then we have Amendment number 11, which focuses on property tax relief for elderly and disabled Texans. Right now, these individuals can receive a $10,000 exemption on their school property taxes. This amendment would raise that exemption to $60,000. This means lower annual bills for these Texas homeowners. Amendment number 13 is all about the homestead exemption, which lowers the amount of your home's value that can be taxed for school. Right now, the exemption is set at $100,000. This amendment would raise it to $140,000. So basically, it would increase the tax break for homeowners, shifting more of the cost of funding schools from local property taxes to the state budget. And finally, Amendment number 17, Border Infrastructure Tax Relief. Right now, new border structures along the border can raise property values and, in turn, raise taxes. This amendment will stop both property values and tax bills from going up in border counties because of state-installed infrastructure. So there you have it, 6 amendments that deal with property tax relief for a lot of different groups. Even if you're not a property owner, it's important that we know what these amendments do so our Constitution works for all of us. Nos vemos at the polls.